What if your skin could wake up looking healthier, smoother, and actually glowing without expensive products or complicated routines? The truth is, what you do before bed matters way more than you think. Your skin goes into repair mode at night, and a few simple habits can completely change how it looks by morning. If you've been dealing with dullness, dryness, or breakouts, this is where it starts. Let's go through 5 easy nighttime habits you can start tonight for better, healthier skin. Always cleanse your face thoroughly before bed to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Think about everything your skin goes through during the day: pollution, sweat, sunscreen, and maybe makeup. All of that builds up and can clog your pores if you go to sleep without washing it off. When you cleanse at night, you're giving your skin a fresh start, so it can properly repair itself while you sleep. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, and take your time with it. Massage it in for at least 30 seconds instead of rushing. If you wear makeup or heavy sunscreen, consider double cleansing. First with an oil-based cleanser to break everything down, then a water-based cleanser to actually clean your skin. Skipping this step might seem harmless once in a while, but over time it can lead to breakouts, dullness, and uneven texture. Keep your cleanser by the sink where you'll see it, and make it part of your nightly routine, just like brushing your teeth. Even on nights when you're tired, remind yourself it only takes a minute, and your future skin will thank you. Apply a hydrating moisturizer at night to support skin repair and prevent dryness. Your skin loses water while you sleep, which can leave it feeling tight and looking dull by morning if you don't lock in hydration. A good nighttime moisturizer acts like a seal, helping your skin hold onto moisture and giving it the ingredients it needs to repair itself. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, which help keep your skin barrier strong and healthy. Don't just slap it on, apply it while your skin is still slightly damp after cleansing so it can absorb better. Use gentle upward motions, and make sure you cover your neck as well, since that area is often neglected but shows signs of aging too. If your skin is extra dry, you can layer a thicker cream or even a facial oil on top. Making this a consistent habit can noticeably improve your skin's softness and glow over time. It's one of the simplest steps you can take, but it has a big impact when done every single night. Avoid using your phone in bed to reduce blue light exposure and late-night stress on your skin. It might not seem directly related to skincare, but scrolling late into the night can actually interfere with your skin's ability to repair itself. Blue light exposure and mental stimulation can delay your sleep, and poor sleep is closely linked to dull skin, dark circles, and even breakouts. When you stay up longer than you planned, your body produces more stress hormones, which can trigger inflammation in your skin. Try setting a cutoff time, maybe 30 minutes before bed, where you put your phone away and switch to something more relaxing like reading or listening to calm music. If you must use your phone, enable night mode or blue light filters to reduce the impact. Think of this as part of your skincare routine, not separate from it. Good sleep hygiene supports better skin just as much as any product you apply. Over time, you'll likely notice not just improved skin, but also better energy and mood during the day. Use clean pillowcases regularly to prevent bacteria and oil buildup from affecting your skin. Every night, your pillowcase collects oils from your hair, sweat, skincare products, and even dead skin cells. And if you're not changing it often, you're essentially pressing your face into that buildup for hours. This can contribute to breakouts, irritation, and overall dullness. A simple habit like changing your pillowcase 2 to 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference, especially if you have acne-prone or sensitive skin. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton or silk, which are gentler on your skin and can reduce friction while you sleep. If you've ever wondered why your skin looks worse on one side of your face, your pillowcase might be part of the reason. Keep a few extra pillowcases on hand so it's easy to swap them out without hassle. This small change takes almost no effort, but supports everything else you're doing in your skincare routine. Stay hydrated in the evening, but avoid excessive sugary or caffeinated drinks before bed. Hydration plays a huge role in how your skin looks and feels, and nighttime is when your body works hard to repair and restore itself. Drinking enough water helps maintain your skin's elasticity and natural glow, but what you drink matters just as much as how much. Sugary drinks can contribute to inflammation and breakouts, while caffeine can disrupt your sleep, which directly affects your skin's ability to recover. Try to sip water throughout the evening, and if you want something warm, go for herbal teas that promote relaxation. Avoid chugging large amounts right before bed though, since that can interrupt your sleep with bathroom trips. The goal is steady hydration, not overdoing it at the last minute. Making mindful choices about your evening drinks supports both your sleep quality and your skin health, helping you wake up looking more refreshed and balanced.